The future of engineering APU is definitely going to be a very bright and interesting one. We are poised to produce graduates who are competent, highly employable, and are able to future-proof themselves, given the VUCA world that we are all living in today.
In APU, we prepare the student with theory and practical in order to make them a future-ready engineer.
If you want to learn hands-on tech skills and value emerging fields like AI, APU is a solid choice.
While pursuing my Bachelor's of Mechatronics Engineering at APU, one of the major advantages for me would be not just graduating with dual degree, but opportunity to gain Masters of Engineering from the Monash University in UK.
Engineering at APU is shaping a future where innovation meets impact.
Students have the exposure to solve complex problems while attaining the outcomes which has been stipulated for engineering graduates in Malaysia as per Washington Accord, which allows them to go on to the international working world as well.
I'm actually a committee member in APCOR, and it is a robotic research center in APU. When joining APCOR, it provides me a lot of opportunity in making different robotics projects and joining multiple hackathons competitions. When joining multiple hackathons competitions, I have gained myself a lot of connections in mechatronic industry. Throughout the projects, when I have encountered different challenges, APU lecture will not hesitate to help me to shape my future.
My personal experience in APU has been very inspiring thanks to those amazing lecturers that I met, as well as the resources that I can actually access through APU. After studying here, I felt like I actually got one big step closer to my dream.
When you graduate with an engineering degree recognized under the Washington Accord, you're not just earning a qualification, you're opening doors to opportunities worldwide.